Hey, and we live. It is your boy Devonte. I am back with another video, and yeah, just documenting the network journey. And today we got subnetting questions. I just wanted to work through some subnetting questions. Very important for passing the CCNA, from what I've been told. Very important part of networking. So, and I just so happen to enjoy it. So I was just like, why not? Let's get a video going where I can just kind of talk through my thought process when it comes to solving these type of questions. And yeah, let's get right to it. I got my calculator. I don't know if I'll be able to use the calculator for the CCNA. I hope I can. In my notebook, where I'll do like decimal conversions or yeah, decimal conversions if need be. So yeah, question one. Given the following point-to-point network /30 network, what is the IP address of the unknown router labeled? So this one's pretty easy. For a point-to-point network, you only have 2 available hosts. So it should be one less than this. So we're gonna go 61.126.108.146. Let's see. Submit. That is not correct. Oh wait. Yeah, that's no wonder why it's not correct. Accidentally did a 5 instead of a 4. Yes, there we go. Boom, bow. Let's go. Next one. Let's keep these going. What is the slash notation for the subnet mask? Oh, that's easy. Okay, so if I didn't know off the top of my head, I would just convert this to decimal. I got these guys up here to help me with that. I don't know how well you can see this, but basically, you know, ones and zeros. We all know how decimal works, and that's going to be 128 plus 64, which would be a /26 mask or cider notation. I still got to get those terms down, but y'all know what I mean. Wow, let's see. Okay, cool. That's an easy one. What is the most efficient subnet if you need? That's a lot of hosts, usable hosts of a subnet. So we're gonna need a lot of hosts. How to host net? Okay, so in order to find out the amount of hosts, we all know we got to take the number of host bits, take the number 2, put it to the power of the number of host bits, and subtract 2. So since I have this guy, I can just kind of play around and just see what works. Let's start with 10 host bits, which will put us at a /22, like that one. We're going to go 2 to the power of 10 minus 2. That is nowhere near the amount of host bits we need. We need 157,000. So let's go 2 to the power of 15 minus 2. Okay, now that one's a lot better. Oh no, 32,000. We're still not there yet. Let's go 2 to the power of 17 minus 2. Now we're at 131,000. So that one's too many. Let's see if we can go down. No, that's not too many. That's still not enough. It's not enough. Oh, I got 56 seconds before I run out of time. Hold up. We're going to go 2 to the power of 18 minus 2. About 262,000. So yeah, that's looking like it's going to be our answer. 18 host bits. So we're going to do 32 minus 18 /14 should be the answer we are looking for. Yes, /14. So /14 will give us 262,142. And like I said, the method that I used to, oh wait, hold on. Like I said, we're back, by the way. Like I said, the method that I used is basically just playing around with the amount of host bits that we have, taking the number 2, setting them, putting it to the power of the amount of host bits that we have, and then subtracting 2 to give us what we need. So yeah, that one's a wrap. Let's see what the next one. What are we cooking on the next one? Which VLAN would be the host? 192.168.146.1b plays. For your answer, simply select the letter of the VLAN. This VLAN has 2 hosts. Okay, let me see. This VLAN has 1 host. Well, I mean, it's looking like VLAN 2 because, hold on, the 146, that's 6. Yeah, I mean, VLAN 1. Let's see if we can get a harder one. I'm pretty sure it's VLAN 1. We're just gonna put, hey, I mean, why would it be VLAN B? They only have 1 host, 1 usable host. That's the network address. That's what they're starting with. A, okay. Next. Uh-oh, here we go. This one looks a little bit more. Which of the following contains more host bits? Well, definitely VLAN B. Why? Because the prefix length of this only gives you 255.128 because there's 9 network bits. And this gives you 255.240. So yeah, my bad. Oh, wait, I don't know what I said at first, but VLAN A definitely has more host bits. Only 9 of the bits belong to the network, so that should be the answer. Yeah, because like I said, this in that form is 255.128. So we're gonna go VLAN A. Oh, VLAN A. Yes. All right, bow. Come on, let's get a harder one. Okay, oh, this one looks fun. Given the network diagram below and the results, show IP route command, which is a command basically that you enter into the CLI. And it lets you know all the routes, all the connected routes, all the local routes, all the static routes. It'll show you all of that on your router. On which interface will the destination IP address 68.130.44.73 be found? For your answer, simply enter the corresponding letter, i.e. A. So let's go through this. Let's look at this. So as you know, like you'll enter this in on the router, and this is what you'll get. This is the output you'll get. You'll basically get like a mini routing table. Fast Ethernet 1. It's not going to be this one. Yeah, it's definitely not going to be on Fast Ethernet 1. I mean, like, look at these masks. Not too many hosts in there. Let me see. Wait. Oh, actually, my bad. This is the answer. So a /30 will get you 2 hosts. And, I mean, the first usable address is going to be .73, what we're looking for. Let's scroll down and explain why the other ones are wrong. Yeah, no. Let me see. So /26. That's going to give us 32 minus 26. 2 to the power of 6 minus 2. It's going to give us 62 hosts. That is not going to get us the 72 or 73 that we're looking for. I got 30 seconds left. Oh, let me just solve this question. It's A. I want to get this in before my time runs out. I'm using the trial version of this app here, if I haven't said it before. So let's submit this. Yes. And you know what? Let's call it for this video, just to get a little, like I said, a little practice in. And I definitely will be doing this again. Subnetting's fun. Appreciate y'all tuning into my video. Y'all have a blessed day. Oos.